Flambéed Baked Bananas. A dessert from Antigua and Barbuda. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With the tines of a long-handled fork, pierce the unpeeled bananas deeply in 2 or 3 places. Lay them on a baking sheet and bake them in the middle of the oven for
Step
10
2.
to 15 minutes.
Remove the
until
bananas
the
from the
darken
oven
somewhat. When
with
the
a
bananas
small,
feel
sharp
tender
knife,
when pressed
slit
gently
their
between
skins
your thumb and
lengthwise along their
forefinger,
inside
and outside curves. Gently lift and peel off the top half of the skin, leaving the underside intact.
Step 3.
About 10 minutes before serving, warm the rum in a small pan over low heat. Meanwhile, melt the butter in a heavy 10 to 12-inch skillet over moderate heat. When the foam begins to subside, add the sugar
Step
and
4.
allspice to the butter
Sprinkle
and
the
stir
bananas
until
with
well
lime
mixed.
juice.
Then
At a
ignite
time,
the rum with the
gently lay
match
the
and pour
bananas
it flaming
flaming
over
over
the
down in the
bananas a
skillet
little
and
at a
carefully
time,
lift and
shaking
peel
the
off the
skillet
remaining
gently until
skin.
the flame dies. Spoon the sauce over the bananas and serve at
CountryReports.
once. Culture, countries, travel.